Please, hey, small people. Please, I'm looking for somebody. And my name is Wuche. I come from Nigeria. And I'm looking for somebody. That person's name is Osita Yeme. Do you know that person or do you live around here?
Yes.
Okay, you can hear my voice, eh? Yes. Oh, okay. I'm looking for somebody. That person's name is Osita Yeme. Do you know that person?
Hey! You can penny for what I say on your feet. And when I do, success to do, but you won't put up with me. I'm the one to know. Why
are you harassing this poor girl? Why? I'm asking you some question. Why? Young girl, listen to me. Do you know that person?
No.
They have killed this girl.